What is up guys? Welcome back to another vlog. Hindi ako nakapost last week because I was sick the whole week. And up to now actually, I still have cough and colds. But thankfully, it's not COVID. So right now, we are here with Project Ranger Raptor here at the back. And yung dad ko actually yung nag-vlog for me when I was sick at home. So you guys might be wondering, ano ba yung ginawa ng dad ko while I was sick? Actually, pumunta siya sa isang shop called Road Fit. And this is what he did.
So, pumunta ako ng Road Fit sa Banawe. Tapos, pumili tayo ng tent. Yun. Tapos, nandun, shoutout kay Kuya Jason. Siya yung nag-tent nito. Galing.
Anong klaseng kwento yan?
Yan lang ang kwento nun eh. Nagpatint lang tayo.
Ilang tao nagtint?
Isa lang. Nag-start kami ng 9. Natapos ako ng mga almost 2 p.m. Pero may kasamang 1 hour lunch break yun. Pagdating sa trabaho dito sa Road Fit sa pagtitent, number 1 sila. Masyadong maingat sila and makikita niyo siguro inaasikaso yung kotse mo. Parang binabalutan pa rin na lahat para hindi madumihan yung kotse mo, ganyan. Actually, yung kabilang panel pala sa left side, pagkatapos nilang itent, nung ini-inspect nila may nakita silang may nakasingit na parang konting dumi. So, ang ginawa nila, tinanggal nila buo, pinalitan uli ng bago. Ganyan sila parang metikuloso. Thank you kay Road Fit for installing our sunblock tent.
So guys, this is the top of the line tint ng Sunblock. Sunblock is the brand that we use on actually all of our cars here. Project GR Yaris, yung Raze, sila ni Road Fit din gumawa using Sunblock. This is the lower end na tint nila. And then yung Jimny rin ba? Naka-sunblock din?
Oh, sunblock yan.
Oh, yun, no? So, Road Fit din gumawa. Yung Stinger din doon, sunblock din yan. Sila ni Road Fit gumawa. So, talagang sila yung trust namin when it comes to tint. Kasi sobrang maingat talaga sila. So, yung nakalagay sa Ranger Raptor right now is actually the same one as the GR Yaris, which I also did a vlog about nung in-install nila. If you wanna watch that, guys, andito lang sa upper right yung link. And then, to show you guys how careful they are when it comes to installation, naglalagay sila ng tissue paper all across the edge of the windshield. I'm gonna zoom in. So it might look ghetto guys, but this is their way to ensure na hindi tutuklap yung tint palabas habang nagsasettle yung tint dun sa windshield mo. They told us to let it cure under the sun for a few days. May warranty ba tong tint nila?
Meron. Alam ko mga 2 years yata. Okay, nandito na sa akin yung specs nun eh. So, ang tawag na sa color na yan is clear green. Oh, ito yun. Ito yung model niyan. Clear green.
Clear green.
UVR 100%.
UV rejection.
So, UV rejection, ganyan.
Ang maganda dito guys sa sunblock is it does not affect cell signal. So minsan kasi dati yung Forester natin, 'di ba? Naka-tint 'yun pero hindi sunblock. Pag nagte-text ka sa loob, ayaw mag-send palabas.
Hindi lang 'yun. Saka yung mga RFID ng sa Easy Trip tsaka sa isa? Basta yung isa.
Ano?
Easy Trip and ano ba yung isa? Nakalimutan ko yung isa eh.
Alam, kaya mo 'yan.
Easy Trip and
A few moments later.
itong particular model na to, medyo makapal siya. More than 1 mm ang kapal. So medyo mabigat siya. So para hindi umangat yung mga gilid nun, aside from iniipit ng tissue yung gilid, sinisip-sip din nila mga excess na liquid na lalabas dun. Tapos going back, yung feature nito, hindi ito nakaka-affect dun sa RFID ng Easy Trip and Auto Sweep. Oo, naalala ko na.
So, tingnan mo, lagay mo yung kamay mo. Lagay mo yung kamay mo dun. Ayan guys, medyo parang sepia greenish ewan siya. Ayan layo Oh, yan din guys, ayan puti yung wall na yan That's white. Ayan. Here's a better angle guys of the tint from the back. Medyo greenish siya talaga. Compare mo guys dun sa pagka-orange ng car. Meron siyang pagka JDM, parang green glass ng JDM. So, bagay siya with yan, JDM na wheels natin. Yan. Dami nagsasabi daw, pangit daw yung wheels natin, hindi daw nila gusto.
Wala tayong magagawa, pero tayo gusto natin eh. Kanyang-kanyang pace yan. Walang basagan ng trip.
Anong message mo for the haters?
Wala. Respect all builds.
Ano, respect old builds?
All.
Old build, ikaw yun.
Ako old.
Oo nga, respect old builds.
Respect your elders. Yun.
Nako.
Yeah.
Guys, may mga nagko-comment about yung wheels namin. Wala daw kaming center cup dito. Actually, kala ko talaga walang nabibiling center cup dito. Meron pala.
Meron. Tsaka may iba-ibang style.
Ano, kukuha ka ba?
Titingnan ko pa kung maganda o hindi.
Kasi ngayon guys, sa ngayon parang nangangalawang na yung open na hub. Some people, what they do, they just spray that, black paint na matte para malinis. Which honestly, parang maganda rin pag spray na lang natin. Kaysa yung may hubcap pa.
Kung wala tayong makitang magandang center cup yan, itimin na lang natin.
Oo nga, kasi pag nilagyan mo guys ng center cup, mag-iiba pa yung look ng wheel. Kasi the center cup will look like it's part of the wheel. We'll just paint it black. Yun yung ginawa ko sa GR Yaris Pero yung sa GR Yaris, paint ko siya ng clear gloss na spray paint. Para hindi mangalawang ng ganyan. Ito pala guys yung picture ng center cup na nakita ko online. Yan, ito. Nasa Instagram to Yan. So, I don't know. For me, parang mas type ko walang center cup. Tapos pinturahan na lang. Kaysa yung may center cup na yan. Guys, sabi ng dad ko, tatanggalin na daw niya yung mga tissue para sa inyo. Hopefully, hindi tutuklap yung tint sa loob. So guys, that's it for this vlog. Sana nag-enjoy kayo. It was short but sweet. Tint lang yung feature natin ngayon. It's because
Wala 2 linggo, tuloy-tuloy ang ulan Buti nga, nakasingit pa tayo ng tint
So, yung next na gagawin natin is probably the bed cover. A lot of you guys suggested in our previous video which bed cover to get, ano yung maganda and ganon. We're actually still choosing because of course we want to choose the best or what we think or feel is the best for our use. So, we'll keep you updated on that. We want something kasi na waterproof talaga, yung hindi pumapasok yung tubig. At pili muna kami, so wala pang balita on that. But what we're gonna be doing with Project Ranger Raptor is that my dad and I, together with a couple of friends, we're gonna be doing a road trip sometime soon. I'm not sure kung kailan namin ma-upload yung vlog na yon, but we'll definitely be filming that adventure, our first adventure with Project Ranger Raptor. Abangan nyo na lang guys, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. You guys take care, don't get sick like me, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.